Let me show you how to connect and pair any Fitbit device to the new Google Health app. So in 2026, Fitbits actually are now working with a brand new app that you need to use. So to pair it with it, first simply let's turn on our watch. So I'll simply connect mine to the charger. So this is, for example, how you turn on and start using these charge bands, for example. Then either go in the App Store or Play Store and simply search for the Google Health. Okay, and find this app. So Google Health Fitbit, and make sure to download it. Okay, once we have the app, let's open it up. Yep, allow these permissions, and then with Google or Fitbit sign in. I'm going to pick this. Yep, allow the notifications, and then we want to pair these together. So on this corner here, click this icon. Okay, connect a Pixel or Fitbit, and then find your device here. So it literally supports every Fitbit, as you can see here. So simply find your model here. Okay, so I'm going to pick this and start setup. Agree. And again, make sure your Fitbit is on and charging, and nearby your phone. Okay, see, we need to enter this code here, 4766 in my case. So it's connecting, pairing. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, so see pairing complete. Yep, paired also with your iPhone. And this also works obviously with any Android phone as well, in the same way. Allow while using the app. So you can take a tutorial or click not now. And so you see it offers this trial, but we are going to skip it. We do not really need it. And then as you see, all done really. So if you go back, as you can see all the health stats here. If you want to manage your device, again, you have to click over here. You can click on the device here, and as you see, you have all settings. You can, for example, change the watch face. You can now remove it from the charger, and you see you have everything set up. Also, let's quickly check out some of the features here. So you see on the top, you have these quick widgets that you can swipe. So once you start using it, yeah, basically everything will appear here. You can click on each thing here to see, for example, the step count for the past day, week. If you click on the health tab over here, you can get basically all your metrics here. See your heart rate. If you click on it, again, we can see for the day, week overview. We also get this new cardio load feature. And this also even gets tracked, even if you do not actually track an exercise. So just from doing household chores as well, this actually tracks. So this is actually my favorite feature here. So very excited about that. Also, see we are getting the HRV, resting heart rate here. And if you click these things, so you see you can also, again, see the resting heart rate. And yeah, basically sleep dates, sleep score. I see this new app is actually very advanced. And you see you can also set up the ACG here and also the AFib here as well. So if your device supports that, medical conditions, and you can also change a profile like your age and stuff like that for more precise tracking. And also it appears we have manual logging here as well. So you can log your weight here, body fat as well essentially, and a bunch of other things. Okay, good luck.